Quick renovation truth. The smallest decisions create the biggest regrets. When planning a renovation, we tend to only focus on the big things: cabinet style, color, countertops, and tile. And those things are important, but the details matter. Things like outlet placement, cabinet depth, door swings, they feel minor until construction starts. Then changing them feels like a crisis. To avoid any of those uh-oh moments, take the time during the design process to think through these smaller things: where your outlets are, the types of switches you want to use, where those switches are located. They all make a huge difference in how well your space functions. A light switch behind a door or an outlet too far away can make or break a renovation. You've spent thousands of dollars on a beautiful new kitchen or bathroom, but all you see and think about is that one key detail that you got wrong. We here at My Home are here to help you avoid all that headache and heartbreak. So if you're planning a renovation, pause on the small stuff, because those are the details you live with every day. Follow us here at My Home US for more real New York City renovation insights. And if you're ready to begin your renovation journey, contact us today.